Let's start.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. So today, children, I'm going to teach you about sets. Okay.
Hmm.
Sets. So first of all, just remove this S. This is your set only.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, Preetam, Dhatri, tell me, can you explain this word set?
It means a group of something.
Yes. Dhatri? Oh, your mic is not working. Okay, beta. See, set. Suppose if you have a 10th class maths book, then 11th class maths book, 12th class maths book, or 9th class maths book. So basically, you have made a set of maths book, right? Or suppose if you have chemistry books, chemistry 11th, then 12th, then suppose first year, second year, and so on. So all chemistry books you have kept in your drawer. So this is the collection, or you can say this is a set. And suppose children, if you are purchasing pens, right? So if you are going to purchase any pens, you are going to stationery shop, then you are purchasing a pen set. So your pen set contain one fountain pen, you can say, and one is ball pen. Or if you are seeing that wrist watches, right? In wrist watches set, there is one watch for boy and one for girl. So these are the sets only. Clear this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now suppose if I'm writing, like Monday, Tuesday, if I'm writing this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If children, you will see that this contain all the days of the week, right? So you can write here days of the week or week days of the week. So this is called, and when you are writing this day's name within these brackets, these are the brackets, and each day is separated by comma, then this is called a collection. And which collection? Well defined. Because by seeing this collection, you can tell whether this is a set or not. So this is the well-defined collection of elements. Okay. And these each, so how you will define this sets? Well-defined collection of objects. Well-defined collection of objects. Right? Suppose someone has interest in collecting the stamps of different country, right? So this is the set. You can write this stems. Suppose collection of stems. This is also a set, right? Suppose you are writing months of the name, month's name. Month's name you are writing January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, children. Now see, this is the month's name. So clearly you can say that this is the well-defined collection of all months' name. So therefore, it is defined as sets. Clear this thing? Yes, children, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next is just one. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood? What do you mean by set?
Ma'am, a well-defined collection.
Yes, well-defined collection of elements or objects. Vedika, have you understood? Vedika,
Yes, ma'am.
have you understood?
Yes.
May I proceed to next?
Yes.
Okay. And children, one more thing. At 5 o'clock, your objectives test will start and it will contain only 5 questions. Okay? So kindly attempt that test. Okay? And it's and by tomorrow 5 p.m. you can attempt that test. Okay? So kindly you all have to attempt it. No choice at all. Okay? Now children see, I have written here month's name. I have written here month's name. Suppose if I am writing suppose if I have written here any collection like even numbers I am writing. So what are even numbers? Which can be divisible by 2 only, which are divisible by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Clear? Now children see, when we are writing sets, okay, when we are representing any sets, you have to write each object separated by commas. Clear? And this, each element, 2 is your element. Or you can say object, element or object. Clear? Each element, object, or you can say member. Right? And suppose if I'm writing children, please tell me if I'm writing that, for example, that all big cities of India, you can define it as sets or not? Tell me, all big cities of India. This is well-defined collection or not? Tell me, Preetam, Vedika, Jaswant, Dhatri, tell me. Dhatri, you can write in chat box because your mic is not working. Jaswant, unmute yourself. Preetam, Vedika, unmute yourself, children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it a well-defined collection or not? Just give
Yes.
your answer in yes or no.
Yeah.
Yes. Why?
All the cities are just elements.
Have I mentioned any city name?
No, like
No.
you're telling, no, like.
No. This is not a. No, this is not a well-defined collection. Well-defined collection. Because children, I have not mentioned any particular name of the city. Suppose if I'm writing here Faridabad or any city, you can write Ambala. Okay. Or any other one you can write here. So
Mumbai.
if I'm writing like this, if I'm stating the name of that particular city, then it will be the well-defined collection of the set. Well-defined collection of the object. Is it clear?
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Kindly show me your thumbs up if you all have understood. Yes, the three. Okay, good. But when elements are not mentioned properly, then you can't write it as well-defined collection. You can't say this thing that this is a well-defined collection. Okay, children. Now, suppose if I have written all lovely flowers, all lovely or lovely flowers. So, children, this is a well-defined collection.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, good. Vedika?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, I hope you all have understood regarding this well-defined collection, right? And suppose, children, if I'm writing like this, that if I have written a set, and children, if you are representing any set, representation of set, suppose if you are representing any set, that on left hand side, your alphabet should be in capital letters. Okay. So A would be, if I'm representing here, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in this, I have written here 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And all are should be enclosed within the brackets. Right? And should be separated by commas. Okay? So in this way, you will represent a set. Okay? Clear this thing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Show me your thumbs up, children, if you all have understood. Yes, good. Good. Okay. Now, let's proceed to next. Then I will ask you questions. Now, suppose, children, what are natural numbers? Who will tell me natural numbers?
Ma'am, 1 to infinity.
1 to infinity. Right. 1, 2, 3. And suppose if I have to represent this natural numbers. So by which letter, which alphabet I will use? Which alphabet I will be using?
N.
Capital.
Yes, capital N. We have to use capital N for representing natural numbers. Very good. Now next is for represent, what are whole numbers? Vedika,
0, 1.
tell me. Yes, when we are including 0 to natural numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Then it will be a whole number. And by which alphabet we will represent our whole number?
Capital W.
Yes, capital W. Good, beta. So 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Clear? And what about integers?
Like -1, -4, -0.
And it will include only negative numbers or positive as
Negative, positive.
yes, good. It will include all negative and all positive
And
number.
also zero.
Or you can say from minus infinity to plus infinity. Right? So minus infinity to plus infinity. So here I'm writing dash 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 -3, -2, -1. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on. Clear? And by which symbol or which letter we will represent this?
Capital I.
Integers? Z. Z or I. Capital I. Okay. And for positive integers, we will be using Z positive. And for integers and for negative integer, we will be using Z negative. Clear this thing, children? Because
Nine.
for representing our numbers, we will be using these alphabets only in grade 11 and for higher classes also. Okay, in maths. Now next is after integers and even numbers. For even number, we will be using E. And for odd numbers, children, we will be using capital O. And come to here for rational numbers. Rational numbers.
Numbers.
Yes. So which symbol we will use for rational numbers?
Capital R.
Q.
Q, not capital R. Capital R is for real numbers. Clear?
Real.
And what are real numbers?
Rational numbers together with irrational numbers.
Yes, good. Collection of collection of all irrational numbers, irrational and rational numbers. Yes, children. Now may I proceed to next? All have understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's proceed to next then. Now next is representation of sets. Representation of sets. So first is, you can say roster form. First is roster form, or you can say another name, tabular form. Roster or tabular form. Clear? So in this form, we write all the members of the sets within the braces or within the bracket, curly brackets, and we will separate them by using the commas, as generally we are doing. Suppose if I'm writing that any set, suppose A, I'm writing, so 2, 4, 6, 8. So this is your roster form, you can say, or tabular form. Clear? And children, one after this I will explain, okay. Clear? Now suppose if I'm writing here, sets of squares of natural number. So square of 1 will be 1. Square of 2 will be 4. Square of 3 will be 9. Square of 4 will be 16. And 5 will be 20. Clear? So this is your also tabular. So generally, in which form you are representing a set, and set is well-defined collection of set. Objects, yes. Well-defined collection of objects or elements. And each member of this is called element. Right? Now next form is set builder form. Next is set builder form. So in set builder form, sometime you have seen that A is equal to X such that X is a natural number. Natural number. So how you can write this set in roster form? So
By
this
adding
is, you can
comma.
basically, you can say that when you are writing a variable, right, representing any member of the set, okay, and or you can say when you are writing your statement in words, that is called set builder form. So here also, so in this, you can write your roster form as X such that these two dots, you will call it as what? Such that. Such that, so you will writing here X is equal to X such that X is a natural number. So you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? And it can be till infinity. Clear? Suppose if I'm writing here a set S is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. And children, in this, I have to convert this roster form into set builder form. How I will represent?
X is equal to such that is a square.
Yes, you will write it as X such that X is the square of natural number. Square of natural number. Yes, children, have you understood the difference between roster and set builder form? Or this method is also called set builder form. This is also called rule method. This is also called rule method. Clear, children? Both the methods. Have you understood? Just show me your thumbs up. Hurry up. Only Jaswant and Vedika has shown me thumbs up. What about Dhatri and Preeta?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Hmm.
Yes, okay. Okay, let's proceed to next. Now you will give the answers, children.
Hmm.
So that I came to know how much you have gained. Okay.
Hmm.
Now, first of all, suppose if I'm writing any set that sets of vowels, sets of vowels in English alphabet. One by one, you people will tell. So, first of all, Vedika in English, alphabet. Vedika,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute yourself. Yes, beta. Just tell me how we will represent this sets in roster form first of all.
S is equal to in brackets A,
Hmm.
comma, E, comma, I, comma, O, comma, U.
Yes, very good. Now, next, Jaswant. Very good, beta. Keep it up. Jaswant.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Just tell me in set builder form, how I will write.
Hello.
Ma'am, S is equal to
Yes.
bracket X such that A,
Hmm.
E, I, O, U,
A-E-I-O-U.
vowels of English.
Yes, you will write. Till here, all the things are correct. Now see, X such that. Now here we have to define the our X. So X is a
Vowels of English.
vowel in the English alphabet. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Just one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is a vowel in English alphabet. Okay. Now next example I am taking. Suppose I am writing here that S is a set, contains all even numbers less than 15. Preetham?
Like S is equals to
Yes. Yes,
S is
Preetham?
2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8.
All
10.
even numbers, yes. S is equal to 2, 4,
Hello.
6. Yes, Preetham? You are audible.
Hello.
Yes, Preetham. Children, am I audible?
Now we are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Preetham,
2,
tell.
2,
Yes.
4, 6, 8, 10, 10.
Okay. 6, 8, 10,
10.
and 12.
12.
Very good, Preetham.
14, 14.
Yes, 14 also. Good. And the 3 in chat, you can type. Just type how we will write this in set builder form. This set. Yes, the 3. X such that. Yes, very good, the 3. Good. So you can represent this in set builder form like this. S is equal to X such that X is a natural number less than
Even number.
15. Very good, children, all of you.
And that is even number.
Yes. Now next questions also I'm giving you. Wait. Okay. Now next topic. Let me explain. Next is kinds of sets. Okay. Now first kind is empty set. So as the name of the set is empty. So what do you understand by this word? Empty.
Nothing is there in the set.
Yes. A set which does not contain any element. Which doesn't contain any element. That is called empty set. And another name for empty set is null set or void set.
Huh?
Void set. These are the other two names for empty set. Clear? And this set is, yes, beta? Am I audible, Preeta?
Yeah, no, yeah.
I'm not audible to you.
No, yeah. Hello.
Yes, Preetham, do you want to say something?
No, it's not even like I was not able to hear you.
See, first kind of set is empty set. Empty set means there will be no element in that particular set. So empty set, the another name for empty set is null set. You will call empty set as null set also. In exam, you can be asked like this. What do you mean by null set? Not what do you mean by, then In any set, the collection of natural number less than 1. If I will ask you that the collection of natural numbers less than 1. So children, it can be possible that the
No.
collection of natural number, can you make it? No.
No.
No. So your set will be empty. So you will represent
No.
your empty set by this empty braces only. Okay. Or by writing this 5. So these two are the symbol for representing your null set. Representing null set.
Which two, ma'am?
These first empty braces and second is 5. Okay.
5. What's the second
Yeah.
one?
This is empty braces that you have to make these two brackets only, and which should be empty. Nothing should be written inside. Okay. Now suppose if I will ask you that x such that x square is equal to 9. Clear? And x is an even integer. Is it possible?
No.
Even word I have used here. So is
No,
it
ma'am.
possible?
No.
No, because on solving this x square is equal to 9, value of x will be root 9 or value of x will be plus minus 3.
Three.
So 3 is your odd number. Right? So it can be odd integer, not even integer. Clear?
Yes,
So this
ma'am.
set is, which set it is? Empty set.
Empty set.
Yes. Have you understood, children, about the empty set?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhatri, Jaswant, Vedika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dhatri, you can show me your thumbs up because your mic is not working. Yeah, good. Children, have you all things are clear up to this topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next set is singleton set. As the name is, singleton means single, right? So a set that contains only one element. So by this single word, you can examine which set is given. So single means a set contains only one element. Clear?
Yes.
Or singleton, or you can say it is unit.
Term.
Unit set also you can term as. Okay. It can be also termed as unit set. Unit means one.
One term.
Clear, children?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
suppose for example, suppose a set is given x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 8. Now, this is the example of singleton set. So, we will identify it by solving this linear equation, right? So, here highest power of x is 1. So, therefore, this equation is Linear equation. Now solve it. 3x is equal to 8
X equal to
plus
3.
1. Then 3x is equal to 9. And value of x is 3. So
Great.
here we are having only one value of x. So therefore, it is
Singleton
called
set.
as singleton set. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, this is the example of singleton set or not? X is the capital of Punjab. Just tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
This is a singleton set.
Yeah, only one is only one, like one thing, capital of Punjab.
The capital of Punjab is
Haryana. No, no.
what is the capital of Punjab? Tell me, Vedika.
Yes, ma'am.
Capital of Punjab is
Chandigarh.
and capital of Haryana?
It's
Chandigarh.
also Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. So can you define it as singleton set? Tell me
Still yes.
how?
Because Punjab has just one capital.
And Haryana has also. So
No, but
both
it's
have same now?
mentioned. No, but it's mentioned.
Yes. Yes. Because in this example, I have mentioned only one state, that is Punjab, not Haryana. If I have mentioned here Haryana, then it
Then
is
it won't
not
be.
a singleton set. Suppose if I am here giving an example x such that x is the capital of India. So Delhi is the
Delhi.
capital of India.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a singleton set.
Yes,
Clear,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May I proceed to next type?
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, before going to next type, I want to ask you something. Okay, children. I'm giving you a question like this. Suppose I'm giving you a question like this. X such that X, see children, this symbol. This is called epsilon. Okay. It means related to. It means related to. Suppose A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If I'm asking you that 4 belongs to A or not. So 4 is related to this A set, na?
Yes.
Is
ma'am.
it belongs? Yes. So this symbol means basically belongs to or related to. And if 5 is belongs to A or not? No. So you will cross that symbol like this. So 5 is not belongs to A. So sometime you will see the symbol X such that X belongs to natural number and X is a prime factor of 84. So children, how you will write this set in roster form? Will you please tell me?
you factorize the term 84, and then
Yes.
prime factors, you write it in the form of
Yes. First of all, you will make factors of 84. So make factors of 84. 2, then it will be 42. Then again divide by table of 2. Then it will be 21. Then divide by table of 3. Then it will be 7.
2 to
7 ones
7,
are 7. Clear?
2 to
Now
7
you will
points.
write it in roster form. Then you will write only, what you will write here? 2, 3, 7.
One more 2.
No, only one single 2 you will write. Because you have to write prime factor.
Hmm.
Okay. So 1,
Then
2 only
can
you
we
will.
write 4?
No, 4 is not your prime number.
Like 2,
What are
2
prime
into
numbers?
4. Ah.
Because 2 is the factor of 84. Prime factor you have to write. 4 is not a prime factor. What is 4?
it's a composite number.
Yes, 4 is composite number. And prime factor, what are prime factors? Or what are prime numbers?
They are just divisible by them and 1.
Yes, which are divisible by itself and 1. Clear? Those are prime numbers and composite number having more than 2 factors. Yes, children, have you understood till here? So in your objective test also, you will see these type of questions only. Set builder form, roster form, how you will define this set. Clear? Kindly attempt
Yes,
this set test. Test will start live will from 5 p.m. to tomorrow 5 p.m. Okay, children? I think this much is enough for you today.
Yes, ma'am.
All have enjoyed today class. Have you understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye-bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye-bye, beta. Bye,
Thank you,
Jaswant.
ma'am.
Bye, Vedika.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Dhatri.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.